Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In this video session, we are going to discuss the last topic of Module 1 of Digital and Social Media Marketing, which is online media. So let's start. This term online media consists of two different words, this online and media. We say any digital device, let's say mobile, laptop or computer, goes online when it connects to internet. Whereas media is the plural form of word medium or medium, which means channels. So media is a broadcasting or communicating channel used for sharing information. So combinedly we can define this term online media as online channels used for communicating variety of information, whether that information is in the form of text, audio, video or graphics. Before the evolution of high-tech digital technology and fast internet, people used to spend their time in referring various kinds of offline medium. That offline media, today we call them as traditional medias. The traditional medias includes print media in which newspaper, magazines, various research papers, books come. Then there were so many traditional broadcasting medias like TV, radio, etc. But now, in the age of 21st century, people highly believe in online media to share information because it is easy to use, easy to share and more efficient than that of traditional medias. With the use of online media, one can share the audio form of information, the video form of information, the text and graphics form of information. These all forms of information make information easy to understand. So that's why for getting interesting information, prefer online media. So this is all about this concept of online media. Further, this concept is basically divided into 5 categories or 5 types. The first type is social networks and website. By using these social networking sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google+, then Instagram, one can easily share their personal information or public information with their friends and family. By using various websites, the expert can share their view on particular topic with publicly. It is said that there are near about 1.5 billion websites on World Wide Web. Among these all, there are only 200 million websites active. So, the famous examples of websites which are particularly used for getting the information on particular topic are Wikipedia, Investopedia, Quora, etc. The next type of online media is online forums. Online forums is a place or online place where people from different part of the world come together, share their opinions and reviews and knowledge related to particular topic. Here, the people having same interest collect together. There are so many popular online forums like Reddit, then India Forum, then Milewebs. So these forums are used for sharing information on particular topic or research. Then there is the next type, which is blogs. Blogs are little bit similar to online forums, but blogs are more private than that of online forum, because in case of forums there are a number of people collectively share their views, whereas in case of blogs the individual people or the specific group of person who knows each other very well combine together, write on a particular topic or trending subjects. This Lebanon.org is a very famous blog site then there is yourstory.com. This is a blog of Shraddha Sharma. It is also very trending in India. Then there is shoutmeloud.com is also very popular blog portal on internet. Then the next type is podcast. Podcast is basically a audio file which one can easily download and listen according to its convenience. There are so many portals and online portals and online websites like Gaana, Saavn, Spotify, even Google, which provides various podcast files to download. Basically in the podcast, the meditation audio or motivational audio files, then short stories audio files comes which user can easily download and refer. The last type of online media is video portal. Video portals comes under the category of website, but still due to its high demand it is categorized in a separate type. There are so many video portals like YouTube, TikTok, where one shares the information in the form of video with the public. So these are the different types of online media. It's another one. So as online media is a topic comes under module 1, in which we have discussed various digital marketing, various concepts of digital marketing. So we can separately categorize this online media into digital marketing section, where the types of online media will be search engine marketing, search engine optimization, then affiliate marketing, content marketing. So we can easily make a separate section and categorize all different types of online media from the point of view of digital marketing. Otherwise, these are the 5 basic channels, 5 basic types of online media. I hope you understand this all, the whole concept of online media, its definition, its types. So, here our first module of digital and social media marketing is completed. In the next video, from the next video session, we will start the module 2 of this digital marketing paper. Till then, be safe and keep learning. Thank you.